Hello Stampers, my name is Linda Bettinger and I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator, and I have a very quick video for you today. I wanted to share with you a little bit about a suite that is in the catalog. It's on page 15 in the suite and it's called the Tea Room Suite. And here it is. It gives you some samples here of some things that you can do with it. And it has this beautiful copper tea tin. It has some copper vinyl stickers. It has this wonderful stamp set, and this is one where you can get a 10% savings if you buy the die set and the stamp set together. It's a bundle, and it's one of the ones that's more moderately priced as well. There's also some ribbon, and there's this Memories and More card pack, this beautiful paper, and then the dies. So always when I get the new catalog, what I do is I order some of the individual card packs because I think they are such an incredible value. So I have my paper here, and this paper is called the Tea Room Specialty Designer Series paper. And in this paper, there are all kinds of beautiful patterns. There's this pretty gold pattern, greens. There's Coastal Cabana in this set. A couple of beautiful florals. There's some rich Razzleberry in here. There's Calypso Coral. It goes on and on. There's just a whole bunch of really pretty papers in here. And so one of the things I try to do is order the card pack because it is such a good value. The card pack for the Tea Room Memories and More is $10. And for your $10, you get a huge number of card material. Now, some of it is this size, which fits beautifully on a card, and some of it is this size, which, isn't that a pretty combination, is a more like for scrapbookers. But I'm a card maker, and so I use mine to do all kinds of different things. And look at that combination there, to cut down and make the front of a card with a sentiment across the middle. And there's all kinds of specialty pieces in the card pack in both sizes. In the smaller size, there are these overlays here that have some copper trim on them. I've already been in and chopped a couple of these up because I've used some of them. There are 4 pages of stickers, various labels, some flowers, some of these little critters that are on the paper. There's a butterfly, and this little, I don't know what he is, some kind of a little critter. Looks a little bit like a wasp to me. And there's some of this foiled paper in here, and there's just an awful lot of the specialty paper and a lot of the foiled paper that comes in your kit. Now, what I wanted to do today was share with you, I got this, and like a little kid at Christmas, the first thing I did was open it up and start playing. And so I wanted to show you that this is what I have left. There's all different, and all of these pieces are, isn't that just gorgeous? All of these pieces are double-sided. So there's all kinds of things that you can do with these, and there's labels and prints and all kinds of images that mesh with the tea time suite. So there's those larger pieces, and then this is what I have left of the smaller pieces. And there are just every kind of design that you can imagine here in all different kinds of colors, and that match the paper and the stamp set. And like I said, these are all of the specialty pieces that I have left after making the cards that I made. So what I wanted to do was just show you what's possible if you took a card pack like this, because they come with sentiments, and I used white, vanilla, and I think I used card for card bases, and I used a little bit of Coastal Cabana, and I used some of my own inks, but this is the card pack. And what I did was I used some of each of the colors that come in the card pack. So this one I made out of the rich razzleberry color here, and then the washed down or watered down rich razzleberry color. And I made this one a birthday card. And on the inside, I used some of the stickers that are here to put that same decoration to bring the inside and the outside together. And I used one of the sticker flowers here on the end of my sentiment. So that is one card that I made. Then I made one, and isn't this fun? I love mixing pattern papers together. And this one had the perfect opportunity to mix 3 different pattern papers. And then this was a smaller piece. It had some other colors around, and I just trimmed it down. You're My Cup of Tea. And I put those same pattern papers on the inside of the card and made that card. So then this was a specialty paper, as is this one with the copper in the on the paper here. And isn't this pretty? What I did with this one is I used a white card base. I used one of the sticker sheets to get this banner here, and then I cut this out of one of the small sheets where it said just smile, and I thought that would be such a pretty card. You could make it a note card, you could put just smile, you could put another message on the inside. I repeated some of the pattern papers on the inside and put a few of the stickers down. So that is another one, and I used some of our copper ribbon there. And so that was another card. This was one of the colors in here is Old Olive. And so I used Old Olive to make this pretty congratulations card. And I put another piece of this pattern paper on the inside and one of the little critters. But I think it's a very pretty little little card using the Old Olive color. Now this one was a card also that was a specialty in here, and it says You Make Me Happy. Isn't that just cheery? And I put together 2 of the pattern papers. This part was a card from the inside of the pack, and this was a piece of the paper from the outside. On this one, these 2 are from the card pack, and this is paper. From this one, it's all card pack, and all card pack. So very little other supplies. So I made 6 cards in total. This is another one, and on this one I used a piece of Coastal Cabana, and I used one of the new embossing folders. It's called Tufted, and isn't that just cool? It adds this beautiful tufted, I hope you can see that, I'll bring it up a little bit, embossed pattern on the back. And this one allowed me to mix 2 or 3 of the pattern papers together and make a congratulations card with a little decoration on the inside. And again, this one says You Make Me Happy, and I put some of this pattern paper on the inside with one of the butterflies. So just a fast video to show you what is possible using a card pack. This is another thing if you're traveling or you're going on vacation and you want to take some supplies with you. Boy, a card pack is a very economical way to go. I mean, with the material that I have left here, and I didn't use all of the specialty stuff, there's an opportunity. I don't know how many cards you could make with this, but I plan to just keep going, and as I go along, I'll keep you updated how many cards I got out of this one card pack. But so far, I have 6. And I just wanted to make like I said, a quick video today and let you know about the value of these card packs. And I think these are lovely cards. They're very attractive, and I did very little stamping on my own. I did stamping here, and I did stamping here, and I put my stamp in Versamark and then in the Rich Razzleberry in this case, and Versamark and then the Old Olive on this case, and then I embossed those words, again getting embossing in any color you want here. And so that's it, just a quick video for me playing around here today, and thought I would share that with you. And there's several card packs in the catalog, and over time I will put together quick videos that shows what I've kind of done with the various ones that are in there. So that's it for me today. Thank you so much for stopping by my YouTube channel. I do so appreciate it. And let's see, the prize draw for this month is the bundle, which is Sitting Pretty. And all it takes is putting an order on my website, www.lbadinger.stampinup.net, and you're automatically entered into the drawing. Those that order more than $25 get a handmade card. Maybe you'll get one of these cards from me this time, and a product gift. So thanks again for stopping by, and that's it for me today. I'll be back probably tomorrow with another project and more cards. Bye.